So who am I and why should you take any advice from me? Hi, I'm TJ Walker, and I've spent my lifetime trying to help other people be better speakers and media communicators. For more than 30 years, I've trained executives, CEOs, politicians, presidents, prime ministers, U.S. senators, members of parliament, and students and people just like you on how to speak more effectively. Now, how did I learn this? Did I just read 6 Kindle Unlimited books yesterday and decide to do a course? No, and I have a lot of respect for new young trainers on this platform and others, but what I'm doing is grounded on real-world experience. I've trained thousands and thousands of people face-to-face, in the classroom, in the training room, in the TV studio. You're going to get the benefit of my experience. I've worked with people at every skill levels. I've worked with some of the top speakers in the world, professional speakers who want to go from 9.9 to 10, and I've worked with people who walk into the room, we put the light and the camera on them and have them speak, and they curl up into a ball and start crying. They're that nervous about public speaking and speaking to the media. So I've worked with people at every level. That's the experience you're going to get. Now, I do practice what I preach. Again, I didn't just start this business in 2014 because it seemed like online training was hot. I have been training people since 1984. I've given thousands of speeches at venues all over the world. I have appeared on more than 2,000 national and international TV and radio network news programs, MSNBC, Fox, CNN, BBC, you name it. I've been featured as an expert on communication. I've done all the traditional media stuff. I've had a USA Today #1 bestseller, a Wall Street Journal Business Week bestseller. I've written more than 8 books on communication. Why should you care about all that? It's because I'm someone who has lived this world. I breathe it, eat it, sleep it, and that's why I'm good at it. You're getting my expertise. And it shows in the depth of the content in this course, but it also shows when you ask me a question, I can give you a specific answer that really relates to exactly what your concerns are. So again, I'm TJ Walker. Thanks so much for spending a little time here. I hope that you take the course if you haven't taken it yet. If you're already in it, I hope you get a lot out of it.